increases metabolic rate, also helps in weight loss. Today we come across a huge lot of people who are undernourished due to protein energy malnutrition. This is basically due to deficiency of vitamin A, D and omega-3, which leads to stunted growth, diarrhea, anemia, etc. One more is nutritional anemia, which is caused due to iron deficiency and deficiency in vitamin B12. This leads to suffocation, exhaustion, cardiac problems, difficulty in breathing, etc. These problems and many more have induced us to launch our new product, Swasti, a fortified rice bran oil. The USP of our product is fortified rice bran oil. The fortification process will be further explained by our production manager, Amrita.
Good afternoon, I'm the production manager of this company. So now the cooking oil is an integral part of every Indian kitchen. And these days the market is flourished with various cooking oil options which claim to be health beneficial. So I would like to tell a few kinds or types of cooking oil used in India commonly, which are coconut oil, cottonseed oil, and palm oil, rice bran oil, etc. Among all of these, rice bran is growing popular because of its unique health benefits. Now, what is bran oil? Bran is a byproduct of rice milling process. It is actually the outer cover of the rice or paddy, which is brown in color, and has 65% of rice kernels nutrition in it. So it is very healthy, and all kind of nutrients which are present in the rice can be available in this oil. Well, the one main important advantage of this cooking oil is its smoking point is very high, and so people can cook without burning or overheating the food. Our innovation in this product is fortification. There are fortified bran oils available, but only with limited vitamin addition. So what is fortification? It is the process of adding micro-soluble nutrition in the cooking oil. So the vitamins which we are including in the rice bran oil is vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B12 and omega-3. Vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin B12 is popular and commonly known to everyone. So I'll be explaining about omega-3. Omega-3 is unsaturated poly fatty acid which is present all over the body. So it helps in muscular growth, it helps in maintaining normal metabolic rate, it helps in preventing heart diseases. So it is very important and essential to everyone's body. According to the market survey which we have done all over the country, it states that 70% of Indians are lacking with these 4 important vitamins. So we have come up with this product by fortifying it with these vitamins so that health problems can be reduced in India. So, yeah, the vitamin A, vitamin D and B12 sources are salmon oil, chia seed oil and cod oil, and omega-3 sources are flaxseed oil, walnut oil and etc. Thank you.
Good afternoon, I'm Sneha, I'm the marketing manager. I'm the human resource manager of. Good afternoon, I'm Sneha, I'm the human resource manager. As I'm the human resource manager, I deal with recruiting of employees and laborers. We recruit employees from urban areas and laborers from rural areas. Here, technical employees are individually contributed who have this desire to help through problem solving. They have specialized knowledge and skills. Administrative employees are well versed with specialized knowledge as well and skills.
So good afternoon to one and
not present here. My name is Leslie. I'm the financial manager. So our startup capital of the product is 30 lakhs. So it consists of own fund, then bank loan and retained profits. So our final price of the product would be rupees 125 per liter. Then we decided the final price of the product through the medium of cost of production. So the cost involved in the production would be 80 rupees per liter for the cooking oil and 30 rupees per liter for the innovation of fortification process and rupees 3 for packaging. And this would help our product to establish in the market very easily, as it is having a special innovation of fortification, and it's better than Patanjali and Fortune, as our price is reasonable, and as it is the initial stage, our break-even point would be 15,000 per unit. 15,000 units per month. I would like to
Good afternoon, I'm Hema, the marketing manager of this company. Marketing this product is very important because most of the people in India does not aware of the vitamin deficiency and what that create a person's health. And most of the Indian have three vitamins deficiency, which makes them inactive and lack of immunities and prone to diseases. Here are few marketing strategies we adopted. Advertisement, especially for advertisements on those channels where women watch, and as they are the one who buys the oil, and this advertisement mostly convey this message of vitamin deficiency. Other than that, contract with supermarkets, to get into the market, by making contract with the supermarkets such as Big Bazaar and more, to establish our product in their stores, and also convincing distributors for quick sales. And also small advertisements in newspapers, and distributing pamphlets and posters, and also display in hospitals, and putting across the health benefits of our product. And these are the strategies adopted by us because it helps us a lot. And the product and our product's brand name is registered with the trademarks at 1999. Thank you.
After 2 years or so, we are planning to extend our market throughout the country and globally as well. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. You did not specify what is the quantity, like you said. Is it like 5 containers or 1 liter or what it is? Because you just mentioned package is 3 rupees per liter. But what is the quantity that you are going to sell in the container? That's not
For
specified.
now, presently, we are selling only 1 liter.
If you sell it at like in a larger quantity, will it not work out the cost, like and reduce the cost?
We've thought, like for now, in the beginning, we'll do it. Later, we'll adopt it.
I just wanted to ask a question. When you were talking, you were actually insistent on the fact of omega and vitamins. But I think oil and health is more connected to cholesterol. How does vitamin play a big role there, especially in the context of oil?
Actually, bran oil increases the metabolic rate, so fats are reduced in the body. It is one specialty of this oil.
But you are using rice.
Yes.
You are using carbohydrates, so how does it? If you're looking into the biological aspect of it, I think carbohydrates plays a very damaging role.
There's less content of carbohydrates in bran. Not
If you said 60%, if you remember 60, you said 60.
65% of rice kernels nutrition, not only cholesterols.
Okay, thank you.